Configuration Manager for Jira, or CMJ, is designed to solve challenges for Jira administrators. One of CMJ's most common use cases is safely performing Jira change management tasks, such as adding custom fields or updating workflows. In this video, we'll use a sandbox environment to test changes before deploying them to production using CMJ. To begin, we have our production software dev team space in Jira, and we've used CMJ to create an identical sandbox instance where we can test our configuration changes. In our example, our team requested a new custom field, severity, and changes to their workflow with a new workflow state, reopened. First, let's create the new configurations in the sandbox. Create the new custom field, severity, and add options. Then, add it to the appropriate screen. Next, let's update the workflow in the sandbox and add the reopened state, along with the requested transitions. All right, now we're ready to test. Create a new work item. The severity field displays with the defined options. Now, let's move the work item through the workflow. We can move it from open to in progress to resolved, and then from resolved to either reopened or closed. If we move the work item to reopened, it re-enters the workflow until it's closed. Now that we're confident with the configuration changes, and we know we'll avoid any errors in production or downtime, let's use CMJ to deploy the configuration changes from the sandbox to production. Open Apps, Configuration Manager, Snapshots. Click New Snapshot. Enter a name for the new snapshot and select the sandbox project. Click Save and then Next. Enter a description and label identifier. Click Take Snapshot. Now you have a few minutes while CMJ prepares the snapshot. When it's ready, you can view the configuration changes that are included. Click Deploy. Enter a name for the deployments and a destination cloud site. Click Next. CMJ analyzes the deployment and provides a summary of the changes. Click Addition to see what will be added to the production environment, including the custom field and workflow changes. Now, click the Edit tab and use the drop-down to indicate the changes should be deployed to the software dev team space on the production server. Click Apply Map and then Deploy Now. Once the deployment is complete, let's take a look at the production environment. The new custom field, severity, is available, and the requested workflow is ready to use. To summarize, CMJ is a powerful Jira change management tool that allows you to safely test and deploy configuration updates.